friends, today I am going to show you how to fix the error section problem in the Adobe applications. So I have a problem. Now I'm going to solve this problem. Go to this PC, C drive, now you will find here a folder called STL store. If you don't have, then you must create a folder. I have already this, so I will delete this folder. Now again I will create a new folder. Remember, the first three must be the capital letters. Now again go to the Windows, right click on the application, click on more and click on the open file location. Here we have our file. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, check this run this program as administration, click on apply, click on OK. Now your problem must be solved. Now let's try. Click on OK. See, the program is running. In this way, you can solve the error 16 problem. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.